everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine at your end. So it's summer and to cope up with this scorching heat is really difficult. So in today's video, I'm going to share the recipe of a soothing and a refreshing drink. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for this recipe, first we are going to take this watermelon juice. So this is the watermelon juice. I have already blended some diced watermelon and I have got this juice, and yes, I have also mixed 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to take this beaker, and here in this I'm going to use this sieve to filter out the Now I'm going to use the fork to make space for the juice to go out. So this sieve will basically help you filter out the blended seeds and the blended pulp as well, because for this drink you don't need the pulp at all, so you just need the juice. So that's why this will help you filter all these blended seeds and these pulp. Now again we are going to add some more juice. Now I'm going to keep this juice aside, and now here I'm going to take this glass, and these are tapioca balls or sabudana. So I have boiled them in water along with some strawberry syrup, and that's why you can see there is a change in the color. They actually look pink in color. So it's all because I have boiled them in water with strawberry syrup. And the strawberry syrup has also added some sweetness to this tapioca ball, so I don't have to use any other extra sugar to it to make them sweet. So I'm going to add some tapioca balls first. I have some ice cubes here, so I'm going to add some ice cubes too. Keep it aside. Put some diced watermelons into it. And again I'm going to keep this aside. Now I will take this filtered watermelon juice, and this is half glass of milk. So I'm not using raw milk because I don't like the taste of milk much. So this is not the raw milk, this is actually diluted milk. So now I'm going to add this to the juice. I'm going to mix them together. So it's all ready. So now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to pour the milk to it. And again I'm going to top it up with some diced watermelons and some tapioca balls and some ice cubes.
So if you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how was it. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such cooking and travel vlogs.